In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Webull paper trading account. If you've been practicing strategies and want a clean slate, resetting your paper account is a quick way to clear past trades and bring your virtual buying power back to its default level. Paper trading uses simulated money, so none of this touches your real funds, which makes it perfect for testing, learning, or starting fresh after a busy practice session. First, open the Webull desktop app or log in through the Webull website in your browser. Either option works the same for what we're about to do. Once you're in, make sure you're working in the simulated environment, not the live one. Next, switch to paper trading mode. You'll find this in the left side menu. Look for the paper trading section and select it. When you're in the right place, the platform will clearly indicate that you're in paper mode and you'll see a virtual account balance rather than real buying power. This is important because the reset you're about to perform applies only to the paper account. Now locate the area that shows your paper account's details. This is typically called Paper Trade Details or Account Detail. It's a widget or panel that displays your account value, buying power, and recent activity for the paper account. If you're in paper trading mode, this panel should be visible somewhere on your layout. The exact placement can vary depending on your workspace, but it will be the panel that summarizes your paper account status. In that panel, look for the Reset button near your account value. This is the control that clears your paper trading history and resets the virtual balance. Click Reset. You may be asked to confirm before the change is applied. Go ahead and confirm if prompted. After a moment, your paper account will return to its default starting balance, and your previous simulated positions and order history will be cleared. This action affects only the paper environment. It does not impact any live trading accounts. Once it's done, glance back at the paper trade details or account detail widget to make sure the new balance is showing and the history is empty. You should see the fresh starting point right away, letting you jump back into practice with a clean slate. That's all there is to it. Open Webull on desktop or web, switch to paper trading mode, find the paper trade details or account detail widget, and use the Reset button near your account value. Use this anytime you want to wipe prior simulations and test a new strategy from scratch.